Welcome back to the channel. The name of the channel is CAD with Mr. Hugh. And in the previous video, we looked at the design process that you would use to make a product, make a building, make an object in either mechanical engineering or construction engineering. All right, in today's video, we'll be looking at an accident report. What are the elements that go into an accident report, and what is an accident report? All right. So we are looking at the accident report. The accident report is a written document that contains all of the details of an incident that happened. It is a formal document and should only contain factual information in the main body of the report. So the accident report must have the following. 1. A detailed description of the accident that occurred or an accident that was a possible near miss. Yes? It includes the location of the accident, the date of the accident, the time, and a description, a detailed description of what happened. Then further information is provided to highlight and document the cause of the accident. What led to the accident occurring? Who were the persons involved in the accident? Who took corrective action? Was there any equipment that was damaged in the process? Was there any materials that was damaged in the process? Did the incident create any unsafe work environment or environmental factors that were caused by the accident? Then you want to give an account of what happened thereafter. Was the person, what happened to the person who was involved in the accident? What was the end result, right? You detail all of that information in this third paragraph. Yes? So, having given a description of the accident above, then the second part would have been to highlight the causes, both to the workers, the equipment, the material, and if there was, like, for example, a factory closed down or a department closed down, then the next step is to write what was the cause, what was the end result of the accident, right? Was the person hospitalized? How long were they from work or from school or from the place of employment? And after you document all of that in a factual way, then now you're gonna give some recommendations to prevent the reoccurrence of the accident or the near miss, if that is what the document is reporting. So to sum up, it's a detailed report of an incident or near mishap. It gives a summary, a detailed summary of all persons involved and the person who took corrective action. It also discusses in the document the cause, what caused it, and what was the end result. And finally, there are some recommendations that are needed to prevent the accident from reoccurring. And in today's video, we looked at the accident report. And In the next video, we'll be looking at the oblique cone. Right, so we'll be going back to our AutoCAD drawings, having completed the series of videos to document different um, the different written aspects that are not necessarily AutoCAD related, but at on the channel CAD with you, we cover all aspects of the different elements that are needed to produce the CAD drawings, whether mechanical, building, or technical drawings. So this accident report is a important part of the engineering process. Hopefully, we don't need to write one, but should the need arise to write one, we are familiar with what an accident report is, what are the main parts of the accident report, and it is a formal document, so we need to be aware. So if we are on the road and we have a car accident, is the same accident report that we would use both in the engineering world and a situation that may occur in everyday life. So in today's video, we looked at the accident report. Thanks for watching. And if you found the information useful, you could like the video if you think it was useful. And in the next video, as I said, we're looking at conic sections, so we'll be returning back to the AutoCAD software. So thanks for watching. So that brings us to the end of today's video on the channel called CAD with Mr. U. And take care until we meet again. Bye. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.